Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by pairing and unlocking your Apple Watch and keeping your iPhone within Bluetooth range. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and go straight to Face Gallery. Once there, scroll to Photos. Tap an existing photo's face or create a new one to begin. You're doing this now so the images sync cleanly. Make sure both devices show the same Apple ID. Once you pick photos, you'll move to selecting which pictures to use and how they display on the watch. Now you'll choose the actual images and set how they appear. You can pick one photo, sync an album, or use your favorites for rotating images. Tap Add Photo to import a new one. Adjust complications and position so the watch shows exactly what matters: time legibility versus photo prominence. Make sure to crop or zoom inside the watch app to avoid cutoff. Once done, hit Add or Set as current face, and your watch begins syncing those images immediately. Finish by confirming the new face is active on your Apple Watch. Open the watch and swipe to view the photo's face to verify images loaded. If photos don't appear, make sure Bluetooth is on and both devices are connected. Try toggling Bluetooth or restarting the watch and iPhone. Also check iPhone storage and reduce the album size if syncing stalls. If problems persist, remove and re-add the photo's face. Doing that refreshes the sync and resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.